Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. This video is going to be useful for the engineering third year and fourth year students who is going to attend the interview for their placements. So I'll talk about how a student are explain about their project during their interviews. So assume that you have opted for a project called as blood bank donation project where you are going to capture the basic details of donor and anybody who wish to search the donor's name based on location and blood group can search that. This is a small application which you have built as a part of your academic project, and this is what I'm going to explain to the interviewer. Assume that I'm engineering fourth year student and just giving the interview for my campus placement. Hello, sir. I have uh, worked on a blood bank donation project, but before I go into the technical details of the project, I'll just quickly give you the brief background about the project, how and why I choose this project. I was in my fourth semester, and there was a blood bank donation camp organized in my college, and I participated as a volunteer there. The responsibility which I had is that I need to speak to the all students and their friends just to encourage them they can come and donate the blood on the day of event. So I spent my 15 days time just encouraging people and telling the importance of the donating of blood as it can save the life. So people took this very positively. On the day of event there was a very good participation and started. We were capturing the details of the donors like first name, last name, email ID, blood group, and their contact number, their location in a register, so that we have these the donors detail available first for the future references. The event was very successful. Even college and hospitals both were very happy because of the kind of participation we have. I also enjoyed because this was my first voluntary activity, so I also felt that something meaningful I have contributed for the society. I, I just moved on to the fifth semester. There was one incident I remember, and that is the triggering point for this project. So I just wanted to tell you. I One of my friend came to me and she said that one of her close relative is in the need of AB positive blood group, and she said that do you have the list of donors who has donated in last year in our college? Maybe I can reach out to them individually and see that if somebody is willing to give and come and donate the blood. I said that yes. We went to the college, to the admin department, and we tried to see that where that register is, and maybe we can filter out the details of the AB positive blood donors. Unfortunately, the the person who was capturing those details or the person who was maintaining that register was not available in the college. He left the college, and so I said that maybe, sir, if you know that where that register is placed, this is going to be really helpful for them because there is one person who's in need of a AB positive blood group. He said that hey, we exactly don't know where he has kept it. I'm not sure whether he has just kept that register along with him. We exactly don't know. So in a way that register was lost. I felt very disappointed. I thought that we put a lot of efforts just to ensure that we have something available for our future references, especially when there is somebody who's in need of a blood. At least we can reach out to the individuals and can ask for the help. With the disappointments we came, we did not had any option. So other than so she I think she also went home. And but this particular situation triggered me one thought, that what if this entire process we would have kept in a software or an application which would have been centralized and would have been accessible to the hospitals, to the college admin department. I think the dependency on the individual would not be there, and whatever latest data is available would be there. I had that thought in my mind, but I got busy in my subjects of the fifth semester. And after completion of fifth semester, I moved to the sixth semester, and there was a need of academic project. So I thought that let me solve that problem because I was very much touched by the situation. So I thought that maybe what I'll do, I'll create an application where the exactly same thing what we were doing in the register, we will capture those details and keep it inside the in that application. Finally, I took the permission from my HOD, and when he agreed, I just decided that along with my friend who was actually in the need. So because I thought that there'll be two people, at least I can get the different views, and maybe the person can help me in testing and developing the application. So finally, I choose that maybe for user interface, I choose JSP, which is Java Server Pages, And in backend, it was a combination Java Beans and other things. I used just core Java, and database I used MySQL. So at a high level, what this application was doing, so there was a login page where administrator, which is nothing but the college, any authorized person from the college, and any authorized person from the hospital. These two people can log in, and what they could do. So authorized person from a hospital can just see the details of the donors, and he or she can filter it by the blood group, by the location. But admin can do both things. Admin can register the blood donors, as well as admin can search the details based on the name, first name, last name. It can search the details based on the blood group, maybe location. So these are the basic functionality what we have provided in the application. And what we did, we hosted that application in a college provided cloud. And the most important thing, sir, when the next time blood donation camp happened, it was just in a seventh semester of in somewhere in September or October. This time, again, I participated as a volunteer. This time, volunteer for the encouraging people. At the same time, I was also one who was managing those data in a centralized platform, which I, along with my friend, created. So this time, when donors were coming, we were acting as a college admin, authorized users, where we were capturing the first name, last name, email ID, contact number, address, blood group, and like when the donation is happening, that detail was by default is being taken from the system as per the system date. We capture all those details, and this time, sir, the data was stored in the centralized system, the application which we built, and we were very happy because even now also, if you want to search the like if somebody is in need of HIV positive blood group or any blood group, maybe you can just go there, search is the who are the list of donors, and you can just college, basically not everybody, it is not accessible to anybody, it is just for the college and hospitals. And you can reach out to the individuals, call them if they're really willing to come and donate the blood. So after doing this project, I have a sense of satisfaction that with the technology I was able to solve a problem, a real-time problem which was happening. This is at a high level the project which I have worked on, sir. Okay, that's all. So now this is how I'll explain about the project. Few of the key things that you will see. I did not started with the technical details of the project. First, I form a story, basically just to tell the interviewer that what was the reason why I choose this project, or what was the problem statement. So here the problem statement was that there was no centralized system. Here the problem statement was that there was a person dependency if somebody is maintaining the physical registers, whether that is available or not. Second thing is that for every now and then I have to go and college to get the details. So if there is centralized system by which at least we do not have a person dependency, if somebody who's having the username and passwords like access details can go and access the details of the donors. And second thing is that it is central. There is no chance of losing the data or maybe having a dependency on a specific person. Another important thing is that in my resume I had mentioned that I have a good leadership skills. So with this example, I have shown that I have a leadership quality because I saw a problem and I try to solve it. I'm not just ignoring that problem or living with that problem. So that is one thing. Second thing is that this is not a dummy project which I have worked on. This is a project which is really being used. Says if you have liked the video, just subscribe my channel. I'll be creating more videos based on my experiences which I had in past. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.